Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this new episode, let me concentrate on purslane. Don't pull the purslane, it is the most healthy weed that we can have. So in this episode, let me bring about the 11 uses for the edible weed. So firstly, let us know what is purslane. Often weeded from gardens, purslane is an edible ground cover that is full of omega-3s and magnesium. Try purslane for 6 medicinal uses, or you can try the underrated superfood in any of these 5 purslane recipes. Purslane is thick-stemmed. It's a succulent with yellow flowers. It looks so hearty in the summer month that is usually pulled out by the gardeners. But due to its unique and nutritional value, it is a delight for many of the people who suffer from heart problems. Purslane tastes like a milder or crunchier watercress. The succulent's leaves have a light lemon pepper flavor. It can be used as a substitute for spinach and other greens. Now let me come to the 6 medicinal uses of purslane. Firstly, it is a caffeine antidote. Since purslane is full of magnesium and melatonin, it's a great antidote if you have not consumed too much caffeine. Purslane will reduce caffeine's side effects like the jitters and sleeplessness. Secondly, it's an immunity booster. Since it is high in calcium, magnesium, and numerous other vitamins and minerals, purslane can bolster your immune system. And the third important use is it's an insulin booster. Purslane is believed to support the body's own insulin supply. Purslane extract can stabilize blood sugar and insulin levels, according to numerous studies cited by the National Institutes of Health. Next, purslane is used for psoriasis treatment. Foods high in omega-3s like purslane prevent leukotriene production. For psoriasis sufferers, this can prevent the inflammation that leads to the itchy, scaly, red skin associated with the condition. Fifthly, purslane is excellent for heart health. Low magnesium levels contribute to cardiac arrhythmia risk. Consuming 250 mg of magnesium a day can reduce this risk and lower your blood pressure. 1 cup of purslane contains 30 mg of magnesium. And the 6th major use is headache prevention. Some chronic tension, headache, and migraine sufferers are impacted by magnesium deficiency. Purslane can help you to get about 600 mg of magnesium a day needed to regulate your magnesium levels and reduce headache risk. Let me also bring along the 5 recipes of using purslane. The first major recipe is purslane pesto. Purslane, walnuts, lemon juice, and a little olive oil makes a delightfully simple pesto sauce. It is super easy to whip up in a mini food processor. Number 2 in the list is tomato cucumber purslane salad. Pair your purslane with 2 other summer favorites, tomatoes and cucumber, for a crisp summer salad. And the third major recipe from purslane is purslane spring salad. Spice up your spring salads with purslane instead of your purslane spring greens. Purslane will add a citrusy flavor to your favorite salad. Fourthly, stir-fried purslane. Want to try this treat unadulterated by other flavors? Stir fry the stems slightly with just a bit of olive oil. Add your favorite fresh herbs if you like. And the fifth use in the recipes is pickled purslane. If you are overwhelmed with purslane in your yard, try pickling a few cans so you can enjoy the greens as a tangy treat over the winter months. So that's all we have for this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. I'll be coming up with many more uses of Ayurvedic plants. Thank you.